welcome to Huaquan Power. I'm still struggling to find a diesel generator. I'm still selecting a generator from so many shops on the net, and I'm worrying about the long-distance transportation across the world. But now I come to the right place. We found Huaquan Power, a professional diesel generator manufacturer. This is our international standard manufacturing plant, so specials and tidy, right? Welcome for a visit. Our products covers deutz, steyr, volvo, cummins, perkins, yuchai, ricardo, and so on. And you can also choose automatic transfer switch system, protection system, silent canopy, weatherproof canopy, and mobile trailer. With so complete styles, you will be comfortably to use it. As the transparent factory can watch the whole process from the part selection to the complete installation of net anywhere, so please be assured of that. From frozen wastelands to expensive deserts, you can always count on us. Now please look at our office. It's right here we communicate you about our generators. With the trust from global customers, we have offered the perfect power solution to over 30 countries and regions. For many years of development, we have passed the international certifications of ISO 9001-2000, ISO 14001, and the CE. Wherever you are in the world, we'll do our best to give you the unrivaled quality and service. And you can be assured that the generator is always well cared for, as every Huaquan generator comes complete with a comprehensive warranty. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up to our factory and online to choose your product. During the best selling season, there is a big discount waiting for you.